all my babies. It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell another friend, and tell any mama and them, because we lady over here. Without further ado, y'all, I got it's like a very simple mini haul from Amazon and AliExpress. Can't link the stuff from AliExpress, but y'all know I got you on the Amazon situation. And where's my scissors? I got some scissors over here. So y'all, let's see. The first thing is going to be from AliExpress. Y'all, I got these and thought they were so cute. They came in late because these would have came like, if they would have came like a little earlier, they would have went perfect with my current nails. I'm currently on a no-buy situation when it comes to any type of nail supplies unless it's something I really need. But I seen these Hello Kitty jewels. How do you take them out? And I thought these were so cute. Y'all see those? That is so cute. They come in pink and clear. And they would have been so perfect with these nails. But I'll do another Hello Kitty set in the future. So I just wanted to show y'all those. Put those aside. I also purchased this from AliExpress. If y'all seen that new, it just started happening like last year, kind of sort of towards the end, the cartoon nail situation. Y'all, I found these cartoon stickers on AliExpress. And I just thought they were cute. Just something to, you know, if I want to practice on Big Sugar. For those who don't know, that's my practice nail. I figured, why not just get these? Now, let me see. These stickers are water decals. Yeah, I think these are water decals. So, yes. These are so cute. So cute. Definitely giving Frankenstein vibes. I don't know why I keep flicking, y'all. There it goes. So that's that. Next thing from AliExpress. Actually, for Christmas, I got me, my mom, and my nana, these really cute keychains, y'all. And I thought this was just so Sex in the City. And it's just a keychain. It doesn't have a face on it, but basically you can see that she got a purse, got her little heels on, and her little Sex in the City dress. So I thought that was so cute. So I got us all like, they're not matching, but everyone has like their own keychain is dressed. Like my grandma, she likes vintage stuff. So I got her something that will remind you of like Breakfast at Tiffany's, like along that. My mama, of course, I got her a keychain, and hers looked like a hoochie mama. But it's cute though. So what else did I get from AliExpress? I have this little keychain. It's like a purse, little keychain purse thing. I just got it because it had like the cherry blossom flowers. Something cute, a little simple. I don't know what this little thing is, but yeah. Now to Amazon, y'all. I purchased these. If you know, then you know. I think I'm gonna take this one. Then I might get my mom one because she has nails, but she don't have long nails. And basically, it's for people with long nails. You put your card on here. Oh, let me use this. You basically put your card on here. You clip it, and when you be at the gas pump, you gotta, it be like, put your card in, remove real quickly. You can do it like that, because y'all be fiddling. So, I got this, now I can stop using tweezers. So, we got that. Got an extra one. What else? I'm trying to see what I want to pick next. Y'all, next we got these. They're toenail clippers. But y'all, these are definitely a good investment. A little bit of a fun fact slash too much information. Y'all get ingrown toenails. My toes grow like my nails grow weird. Like they grow so close to the edge wall. So that's technically an ingrown toenail. But y'all, it comes with two parts. It actually comes with a toenail clipper. I haven't used this yet, but a toenail clipper. But the one I use for the ingrown toenail part, there ain't no shame in my game. Wait, okay, put it back how it was. And these are so good, y'all. I even bought my mom one, and she loves this. Y'all, the way this thing open up, and you clip it. You can probably use this to clip cuticles and stuff. But you clip it, and it gets into the edges, the ridges, and you... Child, I'm going to link these down below. Definitely a good investment. Regardless if you got ingrown toenails, hard toenails, it's in there. Because I know the regular toenail clippers, they don't get up in there. You got to get up in there. Next thing, y'all know I had purchased this a while back. A little like purse keychain. It's the dupe of the Hermes keychain that they actually came out with. That was like outrageous, the amount that they wanted for that, like the real Kelly Hermes keychain. So y'all, they got two. They got one that comes in black and one that comes in pink. So I just wanted to get the pink one because I thought it was so cute. So cute. So cute. So I had to get this one. Thought it was so adorable. I'll definitely link that down below. And last, but well, yeah, this is last. So I got some compression gloves, y'all. My job consists of me being on the computer all day, every day. So I had purchased these before, but I ended up giving them to my Nana. Just because during that time she needed them, like she was having some joint soreness, and I had gave her mine and she fell in love with them, and I'm like, oh my gosh, now I need them. So I purchased me some more, and I purchased them in extra large because as y'all can see, I got big hands. And these are compression gloves. I don't even think I let y'all read the thing. Compression gloves helps relieve hand pain. Is great for daily activity, sports, swollen hands, mild arthritis, cold hands, hand stiffness, and hand pain. I usually suffer from hand stiffness and hand pain with arthritis because of me constantly moving my hands and doing stuff. On here it just tells you, how you can wash them and stuff like that. So I'm going to put them on and show y'all. And yes, they got ones that has the closed hand one. It's closed-ended. But I got these because I got long nails. Hold on now. Everybody find a socket. Oh. Y'all, I promise I know how to put on gloves. I promise y'all I know how to put on gloves. Oh no. So weird. Somebody probably laughing like, that's why you can't put on no gloves. Oh, child. Hold on, y'all. Okay, there we go. And y'all, when I put these on, whether I'm typing or just laying down or, just taking a break, it does give a sigh of relief because you can feel, it's kind of like putting on like an ACE bandage or like a knee brace or back brace. When you put on that type of comfort, it gives you that relief. So I like these. These definitely work for me. Definitely under $10 if I'm not mistaken. Definitely under either $15 or $10. I'm going to try to link everything from Amazon below. And yeah, y'all, I just wanted to, come on here and share some good finds. Unfortunately, I can't link the AliExpress stuff, but I got y'all on the Amazon situation. So hope y'all enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.